Hey there boys and girls, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Now if you're shuffling cards, obviously you're mixing them up real good, bringing random cards to random positions, like this 4 of clubs here at the bottom of the deck and a Queen of Hearts at the top of the deck. However, if you know magic, random has a different meaning. OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. Believe it or not, but a beautiful color change card production like this one can be found in the Royal Road to Card Magic. And you can actually watch me discover this one during a live stream on the Royal Road to Card Magic. Check it out with the links in the info cards as well as the info box. Now this is pretty much the same thing like the one-handed rising card, which I already covered in a previous tutorial. Super easy, we just use our index finger here to push the top card forth, creating this beautiful illusion of the card rising from the center of the pack. No big deal. Just clip the deck between thumb and middle finger, have your ring finger and pinky support the grip. Now your index is completely operational. Get hold of the top card here at the outer, respectively lower short side. Just get it there with the tip of your index and then push it forward. And this is now the same thing we're doing here, however, with the second from the top in order to create the color change. So first we display the top card, and now we are in this position here from the back side, and again we just get hold of the second from the top here at the short side, and then we push it up. Of course, under cover of the right hand, doing this motion of grabbing the card and lifting it upwards. So the card appears to change in an instant right at the moment where you pull the card out of the deck. One more tip, the transfer from the right hand to the left hand. Try to get hold then of the double, clipping it between thumb and middle finger and giving it all stability here with the index at the lower short side. So when you transfer the double from the right into the left hand, you can actually slide here at the long sides, clipping the cards between thumb and ring finger, squaring them up, and then also giving them here the necessary stability with the index finger, and you won't flash a bit. Proper grip, display top card at the same time, get hold of the second from the top with the index finger, go into the motion of lifting the card up, and as soon as the fingers give the card cover, push the card up, pull them both out, stabilize the cards in your left hand, and you completed the color change card production. It takes a little bit of practice though to get the right timing, to get all of this into one smooth motion, but it's not a biggie. A little bit of practice and you should have a very powerful color change card production at your fingertips. And next time I'm giving you an option where to go from here, because with this double at our fingertips we are set up to go into a full blast ambitious card routine. So make sure to hit double combo, subscribe and notification bell icon, and rest assured more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.